I should also mention that we include read-alouds throughout the year in other subjects. Sure.
Yeah.
So I grabbed a few. I have just found that for my kids, at least, it's been really helpful to supplement things like math with read-alouds. So we actually have arithmetic
Great
read-alouds
idea. Huh.
for each level as we study different things. This book for right now, How Many Seeds?
And a pumpkin. Yeah.
This one is great for currently, as is this one. Now, by the time you're...
I think I remember reading that.
I think that this is great. Again, history. We're talking about the first Thanksgiving Day for America, but it's also a counting story.
Yeah.
And wonderfully illustrated again. Just warm colors of fall, which you can talk about the colors of fall versus spring. When we talk about doubles, we have 2 of everything. And that idea that we're not just adding 1 to something, but we're actually doubling.
Yes.
It's again, a great way to firm up the concepts. We have one on place value.
Place value. Wow.
Money. And also, too, for our kids with, say, dysgraphia or attention difficulties where they're just tired of those worksheets.
Right.
Or even the hands-on things or the games.
Yeah.
What we've done is we've plugged in the read-alouds to where the skills were just taught. And then you kind of sit back and have that sink in a little bit. This one I just found. One of the ones we had gone out of print, so I needed to find it. It's amazing how hard it is to find a well-illustrated book for numbers 1 to 100. But I found this one. I love it. It's $100. It's also a counting book. So that's in there.